The beauty of war.
Abeka TV, your entertainment center.
I love war. I love to smell the scent of gunpowder. I love to hear women screaming, crying, squampering. I love to see blood from a man who's just been shot and the blood is oozing out of his eyes, his nose, his mouth, and he's dying. I love war. I love to see a city that has been bombed down, houses broken, people killed, people running, helter-skelter. I love war. I love to see a son hovering over his father and bending over him and shaking him. Daddy, 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 get up, please get up. Well, son, he's been dead 2 hours ago. I love war. I love to see motherless children. I love to see widows. I love to see amputated people, all created by war. I love war, for war makes no discrimination. All goes a stand in its way. I love war.
I love war indeed. Thank you, Sweet Africa.
You're welcome.
This is Abeka TV Ghana, and we had a sweet conversation with Sweet Africa. Indeed, we love war. Think about this. Do you really love war? Just think. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our pages, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat.
Abeka TV, your entertainment center.